This is 𝗏𝗏 and thank you so much for attending the live training event. I've spent hours of my time putting that training workshop together, so I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come and watch it. That being said, you came into the event to get results, and by results that means being able to build an online business or grow your online business from home, starting with affiliate marketing and using my easy incentive system. Now look, the best and fastest way to get results, like I mentioned on the call, is to get mentoring, join a community, and get the in-depth education that you need to make sure that you're able to get it right. No guessing, no trial and error, and no messing around in the dark while losing time and money while doing this. That being said, the offer that I made towards the end of the live call is the best way to do this. It's the best program on earth right now that has been backed up by results that will show you how to run a wildly profitable affiliate marketing business from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. And I say that not by some bias or some hype. If you care about getting results, this is the best program for you to join. Now, flashing across the screen right now are the results that people have gotten using this system. I'd be sitting here for the next 2 hours as there's so many results to show and we don't have time for that, and Ministry of Freedom pre-enrollment is closing. So if you click in the upper right hand corner of your screen right now if you're on a mobile, or the lower left hand corner if you're from a desktop, it's going to take you through to a page where you can review all the results that people have gotten using the Ministry of Freedom system. It's going to be a massive shame if you miss out on this, as the pre-launch pricing gives you $4,000 off, 66% plus off. It's a massive discount as we're not hiring a phone sales team right now, but we will be starting next week. And most importantly, we have a 30-day action-based refund guarantee. So if you actually plan on using the course and going through it, there's absolutely no risk to joining. The only thing to lose here is the massive discount, or sitting on the outside and going through this alone and burning a ton of money in the process. So I wanted to reach out to you one last time and say, look, we're closing this down. Come and check this out. You can get the $4,000 discount, and if you're worried about results, then come and see all the results that these people are getting using this exact system. Everyone from every character type. It doesn't matter if you're old or young, male or female, native or foreign, rich or poor. It really doesn't matter. We can see literally every type of person getting success with this program. And while I can't guarantee your results, you're getting the exact same training, support, and mentorship as all of these people. So if you want to see all the results and have one last recap of this, it's in the upper right hand side of your screen if you're watching on a mobile, or the bottom left if you're watching on a desktop. This has been 𝗏𝗏, and all I've got to leave you with is just take me up on this, okay? It's 66% off. It's a $4,000 discount if you get in before the discount ends. And most importantly, you know, we have a 30-day action-based guarantee. If you come in here and actually plan on using the course, there's absolutely no risk. The only risk you have is not coming and checking this out one last time and hopping in before the discount ends. And most importantly, we have a 30-day action-based refund guarantee. So if you actually come in here and actually plan on using the course, there's absolutely no risk. The only risk you have is not checking this out one last time and hopping in before the discount ends. And that's going to be a major bummer, as you have to go through the very expensive call process, which is just a pain. You know, it's a pain for us. So just come and check this out one last time. The upper right on your mobile, or the bottom left if you're on a desktop. If the problem is that you can't afford this right now, then have a look at either putting this on a credit card and paying it off over the space of a year, or even PayPal credit. It'll cost you $5.40 per day. And if you get the results like the people on this screen right now, you'll be able to pay this off in no time at all. If you're going to do that, then make sure that you do it before the discount ends later. Check the remaining time by clicking in the top right hand side of the page if you're on a mobile, or the bottom left hand side if you're on a desktop, and I hope to see you on the inside.